Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious caramel shake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 cups of good vanilla ice cream, 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite caramel sauce. Make sure your blender is clean and ready to go, along with any measuring tools. Using quality ingredients, especially the ice cream, will truly elevate your shake. Now let's get blending. Start by adding 1.5 cups of vanilla ice cream to your blender. Next, pour in about 1/2 cup of milk. For that rich caramel flavor, add 2 tablespoons of caramel sauce. Secure the lid and blend on high until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined and the shake is wonderfully smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, add a splash more milk. For a thicker shake, use less milk. Want to make your caramel shake uniquely yours? You can easily adjust the sweetness by adding more or less caramel sauce to taste. For a popular salted caramel version, simply add a generous pinch of sea salt before blending. It really enhances the flavor. If you're a coffee lover, try replacing some of the milk with cold coffee or adding a shot of espresso for a delicious coffee caramel shake. Your perfect caramel shake is ready. Carefully pour the creamy mixture into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra special touch, drizzle some caramel sauce around the inside of the glass before pouring. Finish it off with a generous dollop of whipped cream and another swirl of caramel on top. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade treat. Don't forget to check the description for the Darn Tough Socks link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.